This is a program that's going to push you to the best of your abilities and really test you mentally and physically and, spiritually somewhat.
When Champ approached us and said, we want to do a program, a comprehensive program that focuses on athleticism, nutrition, mental health, and physical health, it was a no-brainer. And 3 years later, it became a game changer.
We know what the problems are. Morbid obesity in starting varsity athletes, very poor diet, sugary drinks instead of water, very limited amounts of fresh fruits and vegetables, very limited sleep on the order of 4 to 6 hours a day. The psychosocial component, these children were depressed. They did have low self-esteem, even though they were starting athletes.
Even though these are student athletes, they're playing varsity sports, many of them didn't have the first idea of how to do a proper bench press or use the equipment that was available to them to train. And that in and of itself is an opportunity for injury.
In 2018, East High and UR Medicine partnered to introduce CHAMP Urban Outreach, athletic training, nutritional support, academic intervention, and mentorship between UR trainers and athletes for 10 weeks.
I tried to work out on my own before. I didn't know the things I needed to become stronger. I didn't know about nutrition. Simple things like swinging the weight. Like I didn't know that could hurt my shoulder.
I wish that I had a time capsule that I could go back in time and take the CHAMP program with me because I was once one of these athletes. I've struggled with injury myself and not technically training the proper way.
We were doing like strength and conditioning, pretty much weightlifting and learning how to weightlift the correct way, healthy nutrition, which is something we don't really get in the city too much. We did homework, targeted intervention with whatever we needed. We got tutoring. As we progressed during the 10 weeks, it was like I woke up with so much more energy.
This program will benefit you to make you the best possible version of yourself.
It really helped me and set me up for the long run. Like I know what I need to do.
They're learning skill sets, not just about their body, but their mind, their emotions, their social interactions, on how they're going to be able to handle adversity.
It really showed me how to like interact with more people who aren't like me and teaching my friends how to interact with people. Okay, this is how you do it, guys. Like you don't have to be afraid. We don't have to segregate ourselves.
To see their commitment to themselves, to see them be so engaged in the CHAMP program, it's just been incredibly inspiring.
I saw students have a sense of empowerment, who were self-resilient, were able to help others, functioning in teams. They ate together, they exercised and stretched together, they challenged each other academically.
We had DNF students going to A and B students within a semester. In this fall, we will have the first students from East High School in our program attending actually the University of Rochester.
And honestly, that's the best feeling in the entire world. Words can't describe how happy I am.
They not only have improved for themselves, but they're community leaders now.
CHAMP was why I was able to get good grades, because one of the main reasons why I'm self-sufficient to this day.
CHAMP is a program that I really believe has some staying power because it's the kids like Maurice who want to give back.
I have definitely grown to more of a mature leader, so I want to come back here.
I want to come back and teach at East.
They understand that there's a team that surrounds them to support them.
I just want to motivate people. That's really my goal.
So my dream for my life is to help others, simply, just to inspire other people.
Slowly changing that school culture. If other city schools could experience that, I just think how much ahead of the curve we would be.
I'm proud of the partnerships that we've been able to develop, both with the Konar Foundation, with the YMCA, with Wegmans, with people in the community who kind of share this passion, this vision to help our young people. CHAMP's going to continue to need partners, and whether it's individuals, the community, organizations, corporate levels, sponsorship and partnership, all of those things are critical for us to continue to provide the services, to grow the program, scale it across the city, and ultimately we want this just to be something that's very commonplace at all the schools.
There's different obstacles, there's different things that's going to change your life, and for God to put the CHAMP program in my life, that's a real big opportunity for me, and it changed my life.